What's up, guys? Today I want to show you how to restore something from your recycle bin. So if you like stuff like this, that sounds useful, please subscribe. We're going to do a little test file. So I have this little clip right here. I'm just going to go ahead and click on it, right click, and then delete. And you can see how our recycle bin populates with some trash. Go ahead and open your recycle bin. And right up here up top, we can empty it, or if you move over just a little bit, we can restore it. Now, if we hover over this, it'll kind of explain better what these do. Delete all items. Yeah. So we're going to hit this restore all items button. It's going to make sure we want to actually do this. Click yes. Now, if we exit out, we can see our video is back on our desktop. So yeah, super easy. Put it right back. If you like stuff like this and that helped you out, please like the video, leave a comment. We'll see you in the next one.